She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, it is definitely going to be a sweet one. Today's recipe is for all my coconut lovers. We're going to go ahead and make a delicious coconut cake. So this coconut cake is going to have coconut flavors all throughout it, as well as a wonderful blanket of coconut all around the cake. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and reveal this cake. Alright, as you can see, we've got coconut all around this cake. It looks like a dream to me. This cake is dedicated to one of my special friends. This was their mother's favorite cake, a coconut cake. So I decided to pay homage to his mother. Go ahead and make her favorite cake. Alright, you guys see that though? You see the 3 beautiful layers in there with the layers of the homemade coconut, what do we call it? Coconut cream frosting, because we used cream cheese and also added that coconut flavor to there. Oh yeah, I think that looks fantastic. This cake, you guys, oh my gosh. We got the homemade white cake. Of course, you could use a box cake. That would definitely save you some time. I wouldn't be mad at you. But the flavors are definitely all there with the homemade cake. That homemade frosting is legit, you guys. It's super good. Of course, too, you can also use pre-made frosting, but I definitely recommend you go for the homemade. It's been a while since I made a 3-layer cake, baby. Again, like I said, this is dedicated to my friend's mother, who is no longer with us, so I decided to make this heavenly coconut cake. Hopefully it brings back some good memories, and definitely tasty memories as well too. You guys, I would literally sit here and eat this whole cake. That's how good it is. No lie, this is a really, really good cake. You can make it into cupcakes if you wanted to. Take it up a notch. Make some more layers maybe if you want to. But in this case, the 3 was good enough. But definitely hope you guys did enjoy this recipe. I put a lot of love into this recipe, so hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did. But if you guys did enjoy this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if coconut cake is one of your favorites. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a brand new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching.